Man, you know I ain't been in this truck for real though. Like my door speakers got audio pipe in there. Didn't know that. They've been changed out already. Didn't know it had underglow lights. These ones was changed out. Those lights. So slowly but surely, man. Trust the process.
Look in here. Looks a little burnt, like, see that finish right there? Mm-hmm. And you see that little tack right there? That's where it should have held. None of yours held. It didn't hold because this is serious.
Mm-hmm. You just taught me something else right there. I always believed that if you put a magnet on the ground, it took the power out of that.
What?
Somebody told me that years ago. Don't ever put your speakers on the ground. It's gonna drain your power out. All that.
The speaker don't have power.
Man, I swear, I promise you. I heard. Man, it's a superstition. I didn't believe this all my life since I've been doing music.
Battery.
I've been putting them down there.
So there's a button over there on your light switch, right? It says dome light override. See it?
Yep.
Push it. There you go.
But you know my dome light is on. Oh, you said the Chevy sign is on?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see this one on this side. What's poppin'? It's KG Go Hard, and I'm back with another video. You already know what y'all about to get, man. Tune in with your boy. It's about to go crazy. Be going up every day, and if you ain't like to subscribe, do so now, because it's about to jump.
You have an alarm remote?
Yeah. I left it at the crib today, though, but the damn key, I dropped my keys, and the thing broke off.
What kind is it?
Viper. Yeah. I sure dropped it today, though. I just ended up leaving it on the table because I ain't want to drop it and leave it nowhere.
So you got remote start already?
Yep.
Alright, we gotta disconnect this guy right here.
If you need some hands, I can help you with something too, though. Want me to hold it?
Hey, when you start the truck up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Does it sometimes hesitate?
Yeah. If I have my remote started to do it, but yeah, matter of fact, you did it the other day. But it went, you're old school. You normally got to hit the gas a little bit, but
yeah, you shouldn't have to, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I do it right now. It's been sitting. Sometimes it crank right up. Sometimes it a little bit, but nothing too major. But without hitting the gas, it should start. See it do that.
When you get on the gas, does it hesitate just a little bit?
Sometimes.
It's really simple. This can be really simple.
Your brother that do the high performance work, he do side jobs too, or?
Of course, that's what he do.
Oh, okay.
He work out the garage. We got lifts in there, man. We got everything.
Yeah, man. If he down to talk, he get this. He can shut a light.
He ran some shit past me earlier today. I didn't even catch all of them.
Okay.
So,
well, I'm hearing you. Feel me?
he'll come out and say.
Yep.
Okay. So you got something going into the side mirrors already.
You finna tell me I ain't bust nothing down with this truck. I done had it, and I've been working on just building my channel. Yep.
They all work.
Yep.
Both sides.
Both sides.
That one's just loose.
Yep. When you look at it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It ain't even nothing.
All right. Well, first and foremost, let me For your lights outside.
Door trigger.
When the door opens, the ground lights come on.
Okay.
So you can see it's probably like a Chevy 7.
I don't know. Yeah, it gotta be. I don't know how I ain't seen not one on either door though.
Because when you open the door, the lights don't come on.
I never seen that tube for the air. I mean, for the sunroof until just right now though. Everybody always says the tube to run it out though. It look like that just for this car, or they all look like that?
No, they all go that way. All of them. So there's a button over there on your light switch, right? It says dome light override. See it?
Yep.
Push it. There you go.
But you know my dome light is on. Oh, you said it to Chevy sign is on?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see this one on this side.
Run your hand in there, you should see it. On the inside, put right there. See it?
It's not shining.
Sure.
This one might not have one. It look like it's plugged up, bro. Oh no, here it go. Yeah, it's not shining though.
This one definitely is.
Yep. I'm gonna come check that one out. But this one over here though, it's just not shining. So it might be short or something.
Then again, after you touch them, that's when they come on. You see it, right? There. See the light?
Yeah, I see it. Can't see what it is, but yep, I see it.
Yeah, no, you might see it till it's dark. All right, so you got those.
Steady fine shit.
Just seeing this though, you got water damage. What you gonna do with you, man? You can use a whole lot of help.
Man, anybody that know me know I love these trucks. I done had them, keep them for a while, sell it, give me something else, start something new, give me another one a few years later. And you know, to be honest with you, this car will stay white long as this has been white because everybody tell me they like it like this though. But me personally, I customize every single thing I buy.
I wouldn't change it, man.
I haven't for a long time with this truck. I'm just now starting to deal with the mechanical shit just because you willing to fuck with it. I've been chilling. It's go time now though. For sure. Man, you know I ain't been in this truck for real though. Like my door speakers got audio pipe in there. Didn't know that. They've been changed out already. Didn't know it had underglow lights. These ones was changed out. Those lights. So slowly but surely, man. Trust the process.
Somebody put some real work in this, man. You got the. There they go, right there. Yep.
For that door.
One of them fell off, but that's what that is. That comes from your lot. You had poppers on this truck, man.
Oh, for that rear latch?
No. I think for the doors. Like, hit the remote and the door opens.
Hit the remote and the door opens.
Open, like.
Well, my keypad, it only got lock and unlock on it, but
It had aux and it had a star.
nope.
Yeah, definitely. Put those subs out so I can see inside that box. That don't sound right. It ain't in there. Let me see. I got this one, but I think how they drilled it, they just drilled into that plastic some or that rubber. That one's because it's gonna catch me. Lay it face down. Boy,
Yeah, it's heavy, motherfucker.
$5,000 coming out the end, right? 2,400 watts of 2 2,400 watts of 2 Good, right there. Dual phone coil, CO2 cruise in it. Dual phone coil. Look in here. Looks a little burnt, like. See that finish right there?
Mm-hmm.
And you see that little tack right there? That's where it should have held. None of yours held. It didn't hold because this is serious.
Mm-hmm.
So, listen to me when you pull off, man. You're gonna be a whole different man.
I'm saying, what you think? You think I need a bigger box?
No. No.
Oh, you just finna reinforce this one?
Yeah, because when this box was new, it sounded great.
Yeah,
100% great.
Yeah.
Not solid, no problems whatsoever.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because you got at least 3 cubes in this box. This only calls for 3 1/4. And we're gonna run it did you have any problems when you left the last time? Did you have any problems with it overheating and getting hot?
Nope.
No cutting off? Did you play it? No.
You mean an hour or more? No.
No, play it. Like,
Yeah, I had it up.
beat
Yeah, I had it up. Yeah. That little video when I did it, when I put part 4, and you said that you couldn't really hear it like that, I actually let it run for like 30 minutes in that parking lot, playing with different songs, trying to see if I could play with the EQ and all that though. But I knew it needed the other shit done to it, so I didn't even play with it no more. But it played for at least a half hour.
At good volume.
Yeah.
What did it sound like?
Okay.
It sounded okay.
No, I'm finna tell you exactly how it sounds. This box I done had in maybe in the last 3 cars, it's been broke like this. It sounded the same. Hit hard, certain deep, I don't know, you probably know like the decibel, but I'm talking about certain shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But I know the amp doing what it's supposed to do, the subs doing what it's supposed to do, just the box weakened up. You know what I'm saying? So it's like yeah. I had this let me see, I think I had it in.
Smell anything?
Nope. Yup, I had
The reason why I say this, right? That amp's 1-ohm stable. In the specs it says 1-ohm stable. But I've seen them go to the car show, and I've been to several car shows, and they go down to a 1/2 ohm before they catch on fire. Well, you don't want yours to catch on fire.
I heard you saying drop it to the 1/2
Right
ohm.
before it does that, it performs at its maximum power. Depending on the specs of these subs, I say you should drop it down to 3/4 ohm. Yeah. And I think you'd be safe.
I ain't against it. I ain't
Because
gonna
you
lie.
don't play it like that.
No, I haven't been. No. I done had this shit for years.
And it was in cars or trucks.
Both. Well, I mean, I'm a truck dude, so it's been really trucks.
Most in trucks,
Yep,
right?
Yep. But I had it in, yeah, it's a truck too. Like an X5, that's pretty much a
That's a tank.
Yeah, so I done. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Strip both of the subs up, pull all the way.
Man, them things heavy as hell to be trying to hold with some fingertips, man.
Anything no easily pull free, just need.
Okay. Well, I need Allen wrenches to take them cords out.
You got, shouldn't have to ask, you got 4 pictures, right?
Of what?
Everything.
Since the day I got the truck, I've been doing a video every day.
All right.
I got like 400 videos
on
up.
my site too.
Oh no, for sure. I'm glad you into it. I know you gonna pay attention. You gonna watch it. For real, shit. Help promote it, all that shit though, man. We in this shit together. Man, you said the Allen wrench in this box? Oh yeah. You talk to a guy that maybe got 3 tools. I got a motherfucking wrench. I got a pair of pliers. I got a screwdriver and an Allen wrench. I mean, Allen key tool. Well, probably about 10 of them on there. That's what I was looking for.
Oh, the ratchet thing.
Nah, not even the ratchet. The actual, yeah, the flip out. That's what I got. About 10 of them in there. 15 in there. Believe it or not, I used to have every tool under the sun. Never used none of them. Got every job done, though. You just taught me something else right there. I always believed that if you put a magnet on the ground, it took the power out of it.
What?
Somebody told me that years ago, don't ever put your speakers on the ground. It's gonna drain your power out, all that.
The speaker don't have power.
Man, I swear, I promise you. I heard, man, it's a superstition. I done believe this all my life since I've been doing music.
Battery.
I've been putting them down there. They said, do not put the magnet on the ground, bro. I promise you, I never put it on concrete.
All right. You got new screws, but you don't want screws that's dangling around. So you want to get that bar out this truck, disconnect it from the wires in the back, and set on the ground so that we can beat it, pound it, silence it.
Is these wires connected to anything back here? I think it is still wired.
Yes, it is. After we do what we got to do, this ain't gonna cut it. This shit gonna melt. Do all that.
Right here straight.
Yep.
So.
You ever heard these?
I'm almost tempted, like I said, I probably just turn it on now to see if they even play, because I'm not sure. You know, it's
I
only.
listened to it last time and I didn't hear them. I know that for sure.
I never listened specifically to see if I heard them, but I just know the audio did work. Like, it's a CD in there. That's the only thing I ever knew played. The USB chips, I just started using them since we put the subs in. I never even knew if that worked until just now.
Oh, no, that ain't gonna work. That shit gonna rattle the fuck. You gotta get on it.
as far as the before that you talking about it with the any audio shit, everything that's being exposed, you showing it right now for the first time. Nothing ever been took apart on here, as far as wires and shit.
Specs for that part. They like just blatantly not even covered whatsoever. So if I wire it so that it only ever gets the RMS, that speaker lasts forever, play the max value for it. No comeback.
One of the RMSs I just seen said 125.
That was for the speaker seat.
You are now